Hi children, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe. In the previous class, we have studied ascending order and descending order. Is that right, children? In the previous class, we have studied ascending order and descending order. What is the spelling for ascending order? A-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G, ascending. O-R-D-E-R, order, ascending order. What is the spelling for descending order? D-E-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G, descending. O-R-D-E-R, order, descending order. Okay. What is the spelling for ascending order? A-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G, ascending. O-R-D-E-R, order. This is spelling for descending order. D-E-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G, descending. O-R-D-E-R, order, descending order. Okay. What is the meaning for ascending order? Small number to big number. Is that no, children? What is the meaning for ascending order? Small number to big number. What is the meaning for descending order? What is the meaning for descending order? Big number to small number. Is that no, children? What is the meaning for ascending order? Small number to big number. What is the meaning for descending order? Big number to small number. Is that no, children? Okay. In this class, we will study about place value and phase value. Okay, in this class, we will study about place value and phase value. What is the spelling for place value? P-L-A-C-E, place. V-A-L-U-E, value, place value. A-N-D and F-A-C-E, phase. V-A-L-U-E, value, phase value. Okay, what is the meaning for place value? The number gets its place value according to the place it holds in a number. The product of the digits and the value of its place gives the place value of the digits. Okay, children? The place value of a digit in a number depends on the place it holds. Depends on a place it holds. Okay. Place value means the short form. Means place value. How do you write the place value? How do you write the place value? I will explain it. Okay. Place value means already they are given the some sets of digits of numbers. Okay. Some sets of digits of number. They are underlined one number. Okay. We have to underline one number and given. We have to find the underlined digits of number. Okay. The step 1, the underlined, we have to find the underlined digit number. The step 2, which number is underlined and the number is in which place we have to find. Okay. இந்த நம்பர் அண்டர்லைன் பண்ணிருக்கு, அந்த நம்பர் இந்த பிளேஸ்ல இருக்குது அப்படிங்கறத ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணணும். Then we have to multiply the places and the periods. Okay. Periods means ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. It is called periods. Okay. So we have to mention the periods ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay, children? Can you hear my voice, children? Okay. Now, the place value means, already I said, they are given some underlined digit numbers. First, we have to find which number is underlined. Second one, the underlined digit number is in which place. Okay. Then we have to multiply the numbers. The underlined digit number is in ones place means we have to multiply by 1. Okay, the underlined digit number is in ones place means we have to multiply by 1. The underlined digit number is in tens place means we have to multiply by 10. Okay, the underlined digit number is in tens place means we have to multiply by 10. The underlined digit number is in 100 place means we have to multiply by 100. Okay, the underlined digit number is in 100 place means we have to multiply by 100. And another one, how 4 digit number is? 4 digit number means it starts from 1000. The 1000 place number is underlined means you have to multiply by 1000 and find the value for place value. Okay, do you understand, children? Okay, 0 always has the same place value and face value, that is 0 wherever it may be position in the number. Okay, children? And second one is the face value. What is face value? The face value of a digit is the digit itself. Okay, what is face value? The face value of a digit is the digit itself. Means first we have to, face value is very easy to us. Face value means we have to see the underlying digit number and take and write the answer for the face value place. Okay, and take and write the answer for the place value place. Okay, children. Now, shall we see some example? Shall we see some example? Okay. The heading place value and face value. Okay, PLACE place, VALUE value, place value, AND and FACE face, VALUE value, place value and face value. Okay, shall we read the heading? Okay, PLACE place, VALUE value, AND and FACE face, VALUE value, place value and face value. What is the meaning for place value? What is the meaning for place value? Place value means you have to find the place of the underlying digit number. Okay. See the first one. The underlying digit number is 9. Okay. This is the sum of the question, place value and face value. Now we have to find the place value and face value for the given number. Okay. First step is we have to mention the periods. Okay. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. Okay. Ones, tens, hundred and thousand. First we have to find the period. Then write the answer for face value. FACE face, VALUE value, face value. Face value means see the underlying digit number and take and write there. Okay, see the underlying digit number and take and write the answer place. Which number is underlined? Which number is underlined? 9. Yes, the face value of 9 is 9. Then we have to find the place value. PLACE place, VALUE value. Place value. Place value means we have to find the places. Okay. First step, which number is underlined? 9. Is there no children? Which number is underlined? 9. Okay. 9 is in which place? 9 is in which place? Tens. Yes, 9 is in which place? Tens. So we have to multiply by 10. 9 tens are 90. Okay. Now see here, 4896 means. Okay. Now the one digit, ones place number is. Wait, another one. Okay, 8964. Okay, means the ones place number is underlined means we have to multiply by 1 and take and write the answer. Okay, this one ones place, tens place, hundred place and thousand place. Ones place means we have to multiply by 1 and take and write the answer. Tens place means we have to multiply by 10 and take and write the answer 60. 10 6 are 60. Then 100 place means we have to multiply by 100 and take and write the answer. 9 multiply by 100 means 900. Okay. The underlying digit number is correspond means you have to write this one. Okay. 9 multiply by 100, 900. Then the underlying digit number is in thousand place means we have to write multiply by 1000 equal to the answer is 8000. Okay. See the second one. Okay, ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Okay, we have to write the answer. FACE, face. VALUE, value, face value. Which number is underlined? Which number is underlined? 8. Yes. Which number is underlined? 8. So you take and write 8 here. Then place value, PLACE, place, VALUE, value. Place value, which number is underlined? Which number is underlined? 8. 8 is in which place? 8 is in which place? 1000 places. Are no children? 8 is in which place? Open your mouth and say louder. 8 is in which place? 1000 place. Okay. So we have to multiply by 1000. The answer is 8000. The answer is 8000. Then another one example. Ones, tens, hundred and thousand. You have to write the answer for the given number. First one, face value, FACE, face, VALUE, value. Face value is 4. The underlined digit number is 4. Then we have to find the place value. Place value means which number is underlined? Which number is underlined, children? 4. 4 is in which place? Tens place. Yes. So we have to multiply by 10. 10 fours are 40. 10 fours are 40. Do you understand place value and face value, children? Okay. So no need to write. Okay. Then another one. 6344. Okay. First we have to mention the periods. 1, tens, 100 and 1000. We have to write the answer. Okay. First, face value, FACE, face, VALUE, value, face value. Face value means, see the underlined digit number and take and write, okay. Face value, which number is underlined? 3. Then we have to find the place value, PLACE, place value, okay. Place value means, which number is underlined? 3. 3 is in which place? 3 is in which place? 100 place. So, we have to write 300. Okay, if the number is multiplied by 100 means 3 multiplied by 100 is equal to 300. Okay, children? Do you understand? Okay. Do you understand, children? What is place value? What is the meaning for place value? Place value means already they are given one underline digit number. Is that no, children? அவங்க ஒரு underline digit number கொடுத்திருப்பாங்க. அது என்ன நம்பர்னு ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணி அந்த நம்பர் எந்த பிளேஸ்ல இருக்கு அப்படிங்கிறத கண்டுபிடிச்சி ஒன்ஸ் பிளேஸ்ல இருந்தா 1ஆல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி எழுதணும். டென்ஸ் பிளேஸா இருந்தா 10ஆல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி ரைட் பண்ணணும். 100 பிளேஸா இருந்தா 100ஆல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும். 1000 பிளேஸா இருந்தா 1000ஆல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி ரைட் பண்ணணும். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன்? ஃபேஸ் வேல்யூ என்ன பண்ணணும்? ஃபேஸ் வேல்யூ மீன்ஸ் வெரி ஈஸி. எந்த நம்பர் அண்டர்லைன் பண்ணியிருக்குன்னு பார்த்து அதை அப்படியே என்ன பண்ணணும்? பார்த்து face value la copy பண்ணணும். Okay. Then we have to find face value. This is another one method for find the place value. Okay. This one for another one method we have to find the face value. Okay. Now we have to mention the periods. Ones, tens, hundreds and 1000. Okay. Ones place is in which number is in ones place? 3. Okay. If you multiply by 1 means 1 3 is 3. The same method. Okay, we have to multiply. Ones place means multiply by 1. Tens place means multiply by 10. 100 place means multiply by 100. 1000 place means multiply by 1000. Okay. Now the next one, tens. 9. 9 tens are 90. Then see the 8. How many 100 is here? 800. Then how many thousand is here? 4000. Okay. 344. 344. Is on ones, tens and hundreds. How many ones is here? 4 ones. How many tens? 4 multiplied by 10. 4 tens are 40. Then 3 multiplied by 100. 300. Next another one. 6. Ones place is 6. Then tens place multiply by 10. 40. Multiply by 100. 900. Multiply by 1000. 8000. Okay. The ones place means we have to multiply by 1. Tens place means we have to multiply by 10. 100 place means we have to multiply by 100. And 1000 place means we have to multiply by 1000. Okay. Do you understand, children? Okay. Now all of you take your max note. All of you take your max note. Take new page. All of you take your max note. Sharp your pencil. Take your max note with your stationery things. Pencil, razor and sharpener. Pencil, razor and sharpener. Take your max note. First of all of you should write today's day and date. All of you, first of all, write today's day and date. All of you, have you taken your note, children? I hope you have taken your note. Take new page. First of all of you write today's day and date. Then you start to write the heading. Okay. See the board and write with me. Listen first, seventh one heading. The heading is place value and face value. The seventh one heading is place value and face value. What is the spelling for place value and face value? PLACE, place, VALUE, value, and FACE, face, VALUE, value, place value and face value. Write neatly, write beautifully without any one mistake. Okay, children? Then write the heading. Okay? You have to write WRITE, right? THED, write the FACE, face, VALUE, value, AND and THED, PLACE, place, VALUE, value. Okay, write the face value and the place value. This is question, okay? WRITE, right? THED, FACE, face, VALUE, value, AND and THED, PLACE, place, VALUE, value. Write the face value and the place value. Okay. Now you have to draw one box. Use your pencil. Use your pencil to write. All of you take your scale and draw one box. Okay. See the board. மேம் எப்படி டிரா பண்ணேன்னு பார்த்துட்டு அதே மாதிரி பாக்ஸஸ் என்ன பண்ணணும், நீட்டா டிரா பண்ணணும். ஓகே, all of you take your scale and pencil, draw the box inside of the margin. We have to draw the box center of the note. Okay, draw the box in the middle of the note. Draw the box in the middle of the note. Okay, children? Draw the box in the middle of the note. To draw a box. How many columns? 3 columns. Okay, how many columns? 3 columns. Three boxes. Okay, now all of you listen. Keep your pencil down. Close your note. See the board. Listen, 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 children. First box, numbers. NUMBER, number. NUMBER, number. Second one, face value. FACE, face. VALUE, value. Face value. Then PLACE, place. VALUE, value. Okay, write the face value and the place value. Okay, number NUMBER, number. Then FACE, face, VALUE, value. PLACE, place, VALUE, value. Okay, first we have to write the period: ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Okay, the first one. Okay, 4862. The second one, 8600, 8601. Can you see the board, children? Can you see the board? The first number is 4862. The second one 8601, 5984, 4456. See the first one. Now we have to write the face value. Is that no, children? Face value. Okay. See the first underline digit number. The first question 4862. Yes or no, children? Yes. 4862. Which number is underlined? 6. Okay. So you take and write the answer for 6. 6 is in which place? Tens place. அப்போ நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்? 10 ஆல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி place value ஆன்சர்ல எழுதணும். Okay. 66. 10 6 are 60. Okay. Then find the second one, 8601. There is no 10 value, so we have to read 1. Okay. 8601. Which number is underlined here? 8. The face value of 8 is 8. Then we have to find the place value. Place value. Okay, children. Place value means 8 is in which place? 1000 place. So we have to multiply by 1000. So we get 8000. Okay. Next 5984. 5984. Okay, which number is underlined here? 9. Is that no, children? Yes, 9. Now we have to multiply by 100. 9 is in which place, ma? 100 place. Is that no? 9 is in which place? 100 place. So we have to multiply by 100. 900. Okay. The last one, 4456. 4456. Now the underlying digit number is 5. The underlying digit number is 5. 5 is in which place? See the period tens place. So we have to multiply by 10. 5 tens are 5 tens are 50. Okay, now all of you open your max note. Do you understand that? In our first box is numbers, second box is face value, third box is place value. Okay, first we have to mention the periods, ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. Then we have to find the first one is 4862. 4862. The face value of 6 is 6. The face value of 6 is 6. The place value of 6 in 4862 is 4862 is 60. The second question 8601. 8601. The underlying digit number is 8. The place value sorry, the face value of 8 is 8. The face value of 8 is 8. The face value of 8 is 8. The place value of 8 in 8601 is 8000. The place value of 8 is 8601 is 8000. Then the third one, 5984. 5984. The underlying digit number is 9. The underlying digit number is 9. The face value of 9 is 9. Okay. The face value of 9 is 9. Then place value. The place value of 9 is 5984 is 5984 is 900. 900. The last one, 4456. 4456. The face value of 5 is 5. The face value of 5 is 5. The place value of 5 in 4456 is the place value of 5 is 50. The place value of 5 in 4456 is 50. All of you have written, children? Have you written? I hope you have completed. Now all of you close your max note. All of you close your max note. Open your max book. Take book page number 13. All of you close your max note. Open your max book. Take book page number 13. 1-3. All of you have you taken, children? See here. This is for your max book. Yes or no? This is page number 13. You should write here homework. Okay. Here you have to write this place. Okay. This place you have to write homework. IW is enough. Okay. IW is enough. So you write here homework. Here you have to write today's day and date. Here you have to write today's day and date. Okay, children. Here you have to write homework. Here you write today's day and date. Have you mentioned it? Have you mentioned it, children? Okay. See the 15th one. FIND. Find. THED. PLACE. Place. VALUE. Value. OF. Of. THED. DIGITS. Digits. in THED GIVEN given NUM B, E or S numbers, find the place value of the digits in the given numbers. ONE1. All of you read with me. Keep your finger on the letters. Okay, keep your finger on the letters and read with me. ONE1 HAS has BEEN been, DONE done, FOR for YOU. Okay, find the place value of the digits in the given numbers. One has been done for you. One has been done for you. See the first one, already they are given the answer. Yes, 1567. 1567. The first one, first you have to mention the places, periods, okay? 1, tens, hundreds and thousand. First we have to mention the periods, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. See the ones place. Which number is it? 7. Is that no children? 7, okay? You have to write 7. See the tens place. Which number is in tens place? 6. 60. The answer is 60. See the 100 column. See the 100 column. Which one is the 100 column? 5. Yes or no children? 5. So we have to write 5 multiplied by 100. 100. Okay. 5 multiplied by 100 is equal to 500. See the last one, 1000 place. See the thousands place. 1000 is there. Yes. 1 is there. So we have to multiply by 1000 means 1000. We have to multiply by 1000 means 1000. Then see the second one, B. First we have to mention ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. Okay. First we have to mention ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Which number is in ones place? Which number is in ones place? 4. Is there no children? Yes. Okay. 1 4 is 4. Yes or no? Yes. 1 4 is 4. We have to write the first dash for 4. The second one, 0. The tens place is in 0. Yes or no children? Yes. Okay. So we have to multiply by 10. 10 0 is 0. Okay. If you multiply with 0 any number means then the answer will come 0. Okay. In the number kuda 0 multiply pannalum 0 da varum. Okay va? Then see the 100 place. Which number is in 100 place? 3. Yes or no children? 3 multiplied by 100. What will come? Yeah, multiply 3 multiplied by 100 is equal to 300. Is that no? Yes. Okay. Then see the last one, 2000. How many thousand is there? 2. So we have to multiply by 1000. We'll get 2000. Okay. The first dash is 4, then 0, 300, then 2000. That is correct or wrong, children? Correct. Okay. Then see the third one, C. Yes. C, D, E, F, G, H and I. You have to do yourself. Okay. C to I questions you do yourself. That is today homework. That is today homework. Okay. Next, all of you see the 16th question. All of you see the 16th question. Keep your finger on the letters and read with me. Keep your fingers on the letters and read with me. WRITE, right? THED, FACE, face, VALUE, value, AND and THED, PLACE, place, VALUE, value, OFR, THED, UNDER, LINED, underline. DIGITS, digits. Write the face value and the place value of the underlined digits. See the first one, number, face value and place value. Box already they are given. Underlined digits also they given. Yes or no children? Yes. See the first one, A question, 1732. First we have to mention the periods. First take your pencil and mention ones, tens, hundred and thousand. மேல ones, tens, hundred and thousand mention பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோ. That is easy to find the place value. Okay வாமா? பென்சிலை வச்சு மேல என்ன பண்ணிக்கணும்? ones, இது ones காலம், இது tens காலம், இது 100 காலம், இது 1000 காலம்னு மேல எழுதி வச்சுக்கோ. OTHTH. Okay வா? It is easy to find the place value. See the A question, which number is underlined? See the A question, which number is underlined? 2. Yes or no children? Yes, okay. So the face value, you have to write 2. The face value is 2. Then find the place value. 1, sir. 2 is in which place? 2 is in which place? 1's place. So we have to multiply by 1. Okay. 1, 2 is 2. Yes or no? Yes. Then see the second one, B question. What is this number? Shall we read together? Okay. 1, 2, 3, start. 2567. 2567. Yes or no children? Yes. Okay. So we have to write 2567. First we have to write the face value. Yes or no children? Yes, okay. Which number is underlined? Which number is underlined? 5. Yes or no? Yes, okay. So you take and write 5 in the first box, face value box. Then 5 is in which place? 100 place. So we have to multiply by 100. 5 multiplied by 100 is equal to 500. The second box you have to write 500. Okay. Do you understand? This one part today classwork method. Remaining C to J is homework. Okay. You do yourself. Did you complete your yesterday homework, children? I hope you have completed the yesterday homework. When I gave the homework for you, you should do the given day. Okay, ma'am, என்னைக்கு homework கொடுக்கிறனோ அன்னைக்கே என்ன செய்யணும்? Homework complete பண்ணிருக்கணும். Okay, children? Some children handwriting is good for the homework. All others write neatly. Okay, write neatly. Study well. Take care of your health. Don't waste the time in your home. Okay, take care of your health. We will see the next class. Okay, bye.